Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 15 psychological hacks that can make your life so much easier. Whether it's productivity, relationships, or personal development, these tricks are game changers. Tip 1, the Zeigarnik effect. Ever find yourself unable to stop thinking about unfinished tasks? That's the Zeigarnik effect at play. Trick your brain by starting tasks with the intention to finish later. It reduces mental clutter. Tip 2, the power of visualization. Visualizing success isn't just for athletes. Picture yourself achieving your goals. It primes your brain to recognize opportunities that align with your vision. Tip 3, the 5-second rule. No, not the one about food. Count down from 5 and then take action. It bypasses overthinking and activates your brain's decision-making process. Tip 4, mirroring. Want to build rapport? Mirror the body language of the person you're talking to. IT creates a subconscious connection and enhances communication. Tip 5, the Pomodoro technique. For skyrocketing productivity, try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a short break. Repeat, it beats procrastination and boosts focus. Tip 6, the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon. Notice something once, and suddenly you see it everywhere. That's the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon. Leverage it by intentionally exposing yourself to new ideas or concepts. Tip 7, use priming to your advantage. Prime your mind for success. Surround yourself with positive influences, like motivational quotes or uplifting music, to improve your mood and mindset. Tip 8, the 10-minute rule. Struggling to start a daunting task? Commit to working on it for just 10 minutes. Often getting started is the hardest part. Tip 9, the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a superpower. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for daily. It rewires your brain for happiness and resilience. Tip 10, the decoy effect. Post on screen. When making decisions, beware of the decoy effect. Sometimes adding a less desirable option can make your preferred choice seem even better. Tip 11, the art of active listening. Want to be a better communicator? Practice active listening. Focus on understanding, not just responding. Tip 12, use positive self-affirmations. Boost your self-esteem with positive self-affirmations. Repeat empowering statements to yourself daily. It builds confidence. Tip 13, hack your memory with chunking. Remember complex information more easily with chunking. Break down large amounts of data into smaller, manageable chunks. Tip 14, the endowment effect. When selling something, highlight what's gained rather than what's lost. It appeals to the endowment effect and increases perceived value. Tip 15, the power of smiling. Smiling isn't just a facial expression. It releases feel-good hormones and can improve your mood instantly. Thanks for tuning in. Which psychological hack are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to enhance your life. Until next time.